Okay, so apparently while I was over here minding my business, y'all just kept following me, right? And now I gotta suffer the consequences with squats. The last time I did this challenge was actually May 15th. And as y'all know, today is June the 2nd. And somehow, since then, 52 more people decided to follow me. Which actually sounded exciting. Until right now. 3 came from Instagram. 3 came from Facebook. And the rest of y'all came from my TikTok live family. Acting bad per usual. Now, if you're new here, this challenge is real simple. Every time I gain a follower, I gotta do a squat. And when I made this challenge, y'all, I really thought I ate with that idea too. I know. But now, I'm starting to feel like I personally set myself up. Because why are 52 squats giving boot camp energy? My goodness. And of course, my 21-month-old decided, he wanted to participate too. Which is cute for approximately 4 minutes. After that, it becomes do your squats. Watch the toddler. Catch the toddler. Why are you going towards the gate? But honestly, this challenge has actually been low-key motivating me. Because every squat actually means somebody connected with my content enough to hit that follow button. And that's actually really cool. And right here, this little boy decided fitness wasn't for him anymore and almost escaped out the backyard gate. Sir, you are not grown. Come back here. You don't pay not one bill to be outside by yourself. So yes, I ended up finishing my last few squats on the side of the house, looking like somebody's tired auntie in a low budget Rocky montage. And somehow I ended up doing 54 instead of 52. So be honest. Should I keep this challenge going?